Welcome to Yes Kid Educational Channel.
Listen. He always listens to his teacher carefully.
He always listens to his teacher carefully.
Laugh. They laugh at funny jokes during recess.
They laugh at funny jokes during recess.
Explore. She likes to explore new places on hikes.
She likes to explore new places on hikes.
Lift. They lift weights at the gym to get stronger.
They lift weights at the gym to get stronger.
Kick. He can kick the soccer ball really hard.
He can kick the soccer ball really hard.
Paint. She loves to paint colorful pictures.
She loves to paint colorful pictures.
Cook. He helps his mom cook dinner every night.
He helps his mom cook dinner every night.
Write. She likes to write stories in her notebook.
She likes to write stories in her notebook.
Read. He enjoys reading stories before bedtime.
He enjoys reading stories before bedtime.
Build. They build sandcastles at the beach.
They build sandcastles at the beach.
Dance. She takes lessons to dance ballet.
She takes lessons to dance ballet.
Sing. He likes to sing songs in the school choir.
He likes to sing songs in the school choir.
Draw. She loves to draw pictures of animals.
She loves to draw pictures of animals.
Ride. He can ride his bike without training wheels.
He can ride his bike without training wheels.
Swim. She goes to the pool to swim every weekend.
She goes to the pool to swim every weekend.
Climb. They like to climb trees in the park.
They like to climb trees in the park.
Jump. He can jump very high on the trampoline.
He can jump very high on the trampoline.
Run. She loves to run fast in the playground.
She loves to run fast in the playground.
Throw. She can throw the ball far across the field.
She can throw the ball far across the field.
Catch. He tried to catch the frisbee in mid-air.
He tried to catch the frisbee in mid-air.
Twist. Twist your body from side to side.
Twist your body from side to side.
Clap. Clap your hands to the beat of the music.
Clap your hands to the beat of the music. Thanks for watching. For watching more educational videos, Please find the link given in the description box and subscribe to our channel.